Hello, I'm going to show you how to remake a form from other website. This is the form. Well, we have many rows here with a checkbox, and so our goal is to remake this form and have the same calculation. So let's start. First, so we will make the look. So we will work on the look. So we will make it. We will try to make it similar to this original. So we have this. We added two columns. Then I added a panel. This panel. Then inside the panel I added four calls script, and that's what I did. Okay, so as you can see, there are like 1, 3, 6, 9, 10, 15 rows, and I will just duplicate. Now, okay. We have 3, 4. And finally 15. And so we will adjust the columns according to the previous columns. That's what we'll do. Now all of them look similar. Now we need to we need to modify the content inside. So yes, we will put this is HTML. Look at that. Then we need this. kind of tedious in order to make this, but we will do it. So I will continue doing this, and we will see how it will look like. Well, we just finished, and just this part, the reparation column. And now we need to customize this column, teeth and grease, and I think that would be all for the front end. Okay, we will continue modifying. So we will make this form to look like this form. And let's continue. So we have all the reparation column here. Now we need to modify the TID column. The first is 1 time, then the next 2 timer, 30 min, 1 time, all of that. So we will just modify this 2 times. In that case, it's timer. Time, then it's 30 minutes. And we will do all the same. On the priest column, we will do the same. We will modify this. For example, this we will modify it with this. Then we will have to give this checkbox with a name. In this case, for example, the first. We will call on that way. Second, we'll call on that with that name. The name of the checkbox. And we will do all this operation for all of them. And that's it for the for the first part, which is just the front end. Okay, we have just finished all the TID column, priest column, and now we will, for example, here we will modify this. We will remove the text label. So according to the rules, the calculation is according to lines, line 1 and line 4. For example, total value, meal, KR, and he says line 8 and nights. So in that case, I will call this checkbox with a name of line. And I will call all these checkboxes with numbers. For example, this checkbox I will call line 1. These two, line 2. This one, line 3, and so on. Okay, done. We have called all the checkboxes with lines. The last one was this line 15. Now we save changes. We can see the preview. There it is. It's really similar as this one. And now we have to work on the calculation, on the calculation code. And for that we will according to this form, so we have this variable here because this is dynamic number. You can see how it is changed. So we will need 3 variables: subtotal and discount, and total. So for that reason, we will add 3 variables. The first one that we will add will be the we need to start from above to the last. In this case, subtotal, then discount, and total. There it is. We have to save changes. We have to check here. Those variables need to appear front end. Okay, and this is an issue that I will fix later. And you just need to regenerate all variables. Okay, now save the form, then refresh, calculation code, go to options, variables, and you can see the variables are here. Okay, now we have to work on the subtotal. Okay, so we will need to there are 15 variables, so I have to create 15 variables too. We can use var. I use this one, for example, for variable 1. Here it is. Choose field. We will find all the fields here. So in this case, we will choose field line 1. Line 1 is this. Do you see that? Line 1. So we will grab the value of this checkbox in the calculation. That's why the value. Or in this case, I didn't put any value. Wait, I forgot to put the values here. Yes. Okay, but we can do many. We can put here the value, the price, or we can play with this state. If field is checked, this variable, you can assign a price here, and I will do that. I will use that, and so what I will do is to define all the variables here. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wait. Put this here. 12, 13, 14, 15. That's all. Then we can fill 1. And we can play with this line too. Wait, let me figure it out how I will combine with these rules. Okay, now I know how I will do the calculation. Now, I forgot another variable, which is the total. Also, I think it's not it's not necessary to define so many variables. I will need just one variable, which is this total, and for example, we will grab this variable here. So this will check if field 1 is checked, and it will be total plus. So we have to start total here with 0. So the 0 plus if field 1 is checked. So according to the first line is checked, so we will have this. This is the value. There it is. And it's the same for the 50 variables. Okay, this is field 2, field 3, field 4, field 5, field 6, 7, late, night, field 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Finally, we have to return the value to the main variable. Okay, and now we have to, for field 2, we have to check here. Field is checked. Look at that. That's for field 2. If field 2 is checked, field 2 is, the value is this one. Look at that. Field 3 and if field 3 is checked, the value is this one. And we will do the same for all of this. Well, I made a mistake, so there are only 14 fields and not 15. And I will continue adding this. For example, field 8 is field 8, field is checked. There it is. And A is 299. Okay. Okay, finally we finished and adding all the fields in the calculation code. You can see that's an addition tool for only additions there. Discount is not included yet. So, and finally we will just save. Okay, we'll save. And now we will put the variables onto the front end. In this case, okay, we will just test with Subtotal first. We will just copy the variable on front end. Okay, we will modify this. Look at that, and we will replace on that. There it is. Save changes. Now we will see the preview. Okay, there it is. It's not working for some reason. I'm gonna check. Okay, I made a mistake. I forgot to enable this option. We have to enable math calculation in order to make the calculation works. So I save changes. Go to preview. And there it is. So you can see there's nothing happens because here is 0. For example, we're going to test with line 1 and 4 on the first line. You can see this. Oops. And this and this. And you can see this is subtotal is this. It would be well, I guess it's supposed it's just addition, so I will take as that as an addition. Okay, if it's an addition, first this is the addition of this and this, and it will be like 1000. Yeah, there it is. So the calculation is fine. And now we will proceed to work on the discount. Yeah, because the customer just told me that this is addition, but I think there is something logic here, but according to the calculation code, it just doesn't says the logic. It just talk about the discount. Okay, now we have the subtotal. We will work on the discount. So this is the discount. So if you on a form and you choose line 1 and line 4 with a total of value of 1000, then you get 150 discounts, but only if those two lines are picked simultaneously. Okay, so we will pick, so fill 1 and fill 4. Yes, it says just line 1 and line 4 with total of meal. Yes, we know it's 1000 above. Okay, if those are the discount goes if those two lines are picked simultaneously. Okay, first we will define the total. It's 0. This is the total of the discount. This is another total, so don't get confused. Okay. And now there it is. Here it is. So we will make sure this is the variable we'll get if the checkbox is checked, and we will say if line 4 is checked too, the discount proceed here. Wait, I was forgetting something. Okay, this is I will put here discount total. So in order to make clear, discount total, and now the discount total is 150. But we know we have many discounts. We will do this. Okay. And now we have these discounts. If these two fields are picked simultaneously. And now there are another rule. The same would happen if they chose, as an example of line 8 and 9, at a total value of 2000. For example, we're going to check subtotal 8 and 9. And he says total value. Oh, I see. Well, in the case of line 2 and line 4, the total value will be always 1000 above, because you can see line 1, line 2, it's line 1 and line 4 are more than 1000 if these two fields are taken. So the case of A and 9 is different. So if only A and 9 are picked, so it doesn't reach to 2000. Okay, things is clear. Now we will do the same here first. Okay, now fill 8 and 9. I will choose line 8. Check if field is checked. Now line 9. The field is checked too. And we will let's count 200s. Here it is. Let's count, but only if the total is above 2000, the total value. So in that case, we need to get the total value. Total value is here. How to get the total value? We need to get the total value of this. So we need the subtotal. And how to get that? You just go to here, optional variables, here. Look at that. Optional variables. Here it is. Subtotal, and you get this another variable. And done. This gets the subtotal value of here. And now we can make that condition. So I can put at the end or at the beginning. So I will put at the end. So we'll put this n and n, and I will put this total value has to be above 2000. And there it is. So if those conditions match, so these discounts will proceed, will go. And at the end we will have a total discount, and we just return total. We made this last operation, total value on, well, total value minus discount total. There it is, and we return total. But wait, so in this case we just need to return the discount total, not a total value. So because we need to show the discounts. And that's the reason I will just show the total, the discount total. And we remove this, we put this, and there it is, discount total. And for the total, we will do this total. Look at it, subtotal. We have this. Then for the total we need these two variables, discount and subtotal. And we have this another, and return total. There it is. Save changes. Then go to the panel edition. Go to options. Go to variable. Go to the calculation variables. Copy the shortcut of the discount. Go to the HTML field. Go to here, and we'll grab here it is. And the total is here, so we need to copy another. This is the total. And there it is. Save changes. Preview. And yes, it's working fine. There's no discount yet, but if we pick, for example, 4, yeah, there it is. You can see here the subtotal minus 150. You have this, and you can put other, and you will see that the discount is kept, right? And now that is all. one on form above 1000, line 8 and 9. If both examples is picked at the same time, then the line 1, line 4, 150 discounts, 8 and 9, 200 discounts, and they get a total of 350 of discount. Okay. And we will test that. We need, well, if we pick those four lines, we will have a discount of 350. The first, you can see, and 8 and 9, line 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 and 9. Oh. There's not 350. Okay, I will check. Okay, it was all good. So I forgot the rule for line 8 and 9. It was if 8 and 9 are picked and a total value is 2000, so they will get the discount. But it's not the case because this is below 2000. So we need above 2000 in order to match those discounts. You can see there it is. The total is more than 2000 and the discount is 350. So all is good. The calculation logic is working fine. The discount is working fine. And that's it. We finished. We made we have remade this form from other sites. Thank you for listening to me. And that's all.